Everybody, my 2018 Honda Accord 2.0. I am going to give you guys a 20. I'm going to roll on 20. I'm going to floor it and see how fast it reaches 60. I have a Borla exhaust, S-type, and I have my KTUNER, so let's go. Let's do this. I'm excited. Hope everybody's doing good out there. Are you Honda lovers? Whether it's an Accord, a Civic, whatever you guys got. Keep it real. All right, here we go. It's a little windy, so you might not be able to hear the exhaust too much. But yes, this Borla does make a big difference, man. All right, here we go. We're at 20. Ready? Dang. I gotta count how many seconds that was. That was quick. I mean, I do have a turbo boost octane. So no pinging, no nothing. Here, I'll do it again. Let me do it again for you guys. I'm enjoying this. I hope you guys are too. All right. Here we go. Ready, set, go. Crazy. Wow, this thing pulls, man, for real. I'm loving it. I don't know, I gotta check. You tell me how fast you think that was from 20 to 60. I was on a regular street, so I can't go faster than 60. There's cars all around. Anyways, subscribe, keep watching this YouTube channel of mine, because I will be doing all kinds of runs. Soon to come a cold start for my Borla exhaust, so you guys could enjoy all the good stuff. Woo-hoo. All right, see you guys later. Peace.